Ladies and gentlemen, Kim here. Welcome to the daily update. Hope you guys had a good day trading. Today, market is down about 2%. There, on the S&P Nasdaq 2.3%, semiconductor 3, Dow 2, Russell 2000, transport, banks, energy, biotech, healthcare, home builders, utilities, retail, emerging market, every single sectors are red today. Bitcoin down, gold, silver, miners are also dollar up, treasury oil down, treasury bond down, VIX popped about 8%. There, let's stick with S&P 500 ETF. Spider! 65-minute chart here. So this is what we closed on Friday. Looks like we actually saw that down gap yet again this morning here. So you can see this is where we closed on Friday. We gapped down here and quickly that prior support acted as resistance here, as you can see, and pretty much after that down gap, this market tanked all throughout the day. Their second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth hour market continued to tumble down all throughout the day, blowing through the long-term moving average here, as you can see in 402. And that level actually did act as support. That long-term moving average did have pretty impressive presence back in mid-February or so, or mid-January or so, but here looks like nothing there. We just blew right through it, and then the next level of support is right here at 400. This is a level where we see that prior resistance here, congestion zone here, and support here and support there, and looks like we're just kind of right underneath that level. So we're just kind of hanging out in that vicinity. So looks like the market is breaking down. There was a lot of battle going on in this vicinity here near that 420. Bulls tried to get up there and battle with the boss bears. It looks like they were not even we got close to 420 here initially, and ever since then things were very, very hectic, especially the fact that this down gap was never filled. And once that down gap wasn't filled, that's when just things tumbled down 3 to 4 days in a row. Now they're all the moving averages have been reclaimed by the bears here, including the long-term moving average. So right now the sentiment is turning more and more bearish.
Perfect.
We do have a couple level of support. I think one level bulls are expecting this line right here, this rising support. This one actually comes all the way from October lows, and you can see all throughout the January we did hit that level here, and that's coming up here about 395, 396 or so. That's gonna be the next level of a stronger support. This level here, 400, if bulls can get right back up, there's at least a good chance of retesting 402. Let's check out that oscillator.
10 minutes later.
So as you can see, that oscillator is now coming down quite heavily here, and looks like we are getting very close to that extreme oversold level here, and that's kind of what happened right here back in late January right here. So that's kind of where we're hanging out at. We're getting near to this level, so that's also gonna be served as a support there, because we know that this level did act as stronger support, and that's right there. And looks like we're just right on it. We're getting bears are getting tired here. So I think the best case scenario, just because the bears are running out of the energy here, so best case scenario for the bears is gapping it down one more time. And bears been doing that. Actually, bears been gapping it down almost every single day in the month of February.
You wanna follow me? Okay.
Bulls done a really good job by trying to fill all of those gaps, but just bulls were not able to contain it. Once this down gap wasn't completely filled, that's when they just, bull bears kept. So they can gap it down one more time to retest that uptrend support, that might be the only energy they have left here, because once we hit that oversold level, because we're in this overall midterm higher low, higher high scenario as of today, things can change going forward. But we can definitely see that this currently where we're at is in the vicinity of higher low, right? That low is definitely lower than current low right here. And seeing that the oscillator is getting into the oversold level, bulls are looking to find at least some sort of a short-term oversold bounce. And I'm not going to say that as of today that bounce is going to turn into any sort of a full reversal, but that's kind of what we're looking at here. So if bears the objective is pretty clear going into tomorrow. Bears are trying to squeeze in just a little bit more downside move, preferably gap down, to kind of finish that down move, because again, that oscillator is hitting that oversold level. Bears are getting tired. Bulls are looking to at least take advantage of this situation to have at least that oversold bounce. And to come back for you, we'll reassess the situation. Enjoy your evening. Go trading tomorrow.